This is Steve Biggs of Boatshed, Norfolk, on board beautiful Broom 39. This is the interior. Very, very comfortable boats these are to be on and spend extended cruising time. Very plush, comfortable cream leather suite. Original Broom teak cabinetry. And the signature spiral staircase. Leading down to the main feature of these vessels, which is a very large aft master. These cabins have separate heads and shower compartments, head to starboard, which as you can see is spotless. Electric heads. As with these Brooms, the aft heads go straight through a seacock and out. The forward heads are diverted into a holding tank and also emptiable at sea with the pump out macerator. Typical Broom woodwork and cabinetry and blinds, all in very nice order. Access hatches to the weed filters, shafts and back of the engines. Main electrics control panel. Very nice shower compartment, full wet compartment. Again, typical Broom. Heading forward, up the lower part of the staircase, back to the saloon. Handrails on the ceiling, lovely headlining. All these Brooms have removable hatch should you ever need to get the engines out. This is the dinette version. Matching leather upholstery to the saloon. Galley down to the starboard side. Still sociable to the saloon, the way this is laid out. Microwave, refrigerator, cooker, extraction fan, plenty of storage. Day heads, which is Jack and Jill to the front cabin. Again, electric heads with diverter valve to seal holding tank. Good shower. And the forward V-berth. Large storage wardrobe to port. Very spacious, ample guest cabin. As I said, Jack and Jill day heads. Very nice example of the wonderful and very capable Broom 39. If you'd like further information on this Broom 39, please contact me, Steve Biggs, at boatshednorfolk.com. Thanks for watching.